Spoken English. Hello, are you improve my English? Hello, are you here to register? Yes, I want to improve my English. Wonderful. What's your full name? Is Sophia. Welcome, Sophia. Do you know your current level? Not really. I can talk a little, but I make many grammar mistakes. No worries. In that case, the starter group will be perfect for you. What do students do in that group? You will practice conversation, learn useful words, and build confidence step by step. Sounds great. When are the Tuesday and Thursday evening from 6:30 থেকে 8:30? That time was for me. Do I need just one book? I can arrange it. Perfect. Thank you so much. You are all set. Welcome aboard, Sophia. Hello, are you here to register for a class? Yes, I want to improve my English. তো এখানেই শেষ করলাম। তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।